An American expert has said that the Chinese democratic system is designed to be win-win, where everyone can work together to achieve objectives like national rejuvenation. Joseph Gregory Mahoney, a professor at East China Normal University, made the remarks on the sideline of the Third International Forum on Democracy, the Shared Human Values, held Wednesday in Beijing.
It's the fact that the Chinese system unites the people, unites the different interest groups, the different classes, everyone together to work together. It's not like we see in the U.S., a highly polarized situation where it's a win-lose type of outcome. Rather, the Chinese democratic system is designed to be a win-win, where everyone can work together to achieve objectives like national rejuvenation. The most significant achievement is initially reestablishing sovereignty and security and sustaining this through time, but also achievements like raising 800 million people out of poverty, eliminating extreme poverty, and establishing this threshold for moving forward with Chinese-style modernization, which, of course, deviates from the Western practice of imperialism, hegemony, genocide, slavery. So these are the distinctive features and unique promise.